In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect NotebookLM with Perplexity AI. If you use Perplexity AI for research and NotebookLM for organizing your information, combining the two can make your workflow much more efficient. While there isn't a direct integration between the platforms, you can easily transfer your research from Perplexity into NotebookLM by copying your results and adding them as a source. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process from generating your research in Perplexity to using it inside NotebookLM. To get started, open your web browser and search for Perplexity AI. Open the official Perplexity website and navigate to the main search page. In the search bar, enter the topic you want to research. Try to be as specific as possible by including relevant keywords, a time frame, or the intended audience. The more specific your prompt is, the more focused the results will be. Submit your search and allow Perplexity to generate its response. Once the answer appears, review it carefully to make sure it contains the information you need. When you're satisfied with the results, click the copy icon to copy the entire response. Using the built-in copy option helps ensure you capture the complete answer, including its structure and formatting. Next, open a new browser tab and search for Google's NotebookLM. Open the official NotebookLM page and select the option to try NotebookLM. If you're prompted to sign in, complete the sign-in process to access your notebooks. Once you're inside NotebookLM, either create a new notebook or open an existing notebook that's related to your research topic. Giving your notebook a clear and descriptive name can make it much easier to find later, especially if you're working on multiple projects. Inside the notebook, select Add Sources. NotebookLM uses sources as the foundation for generating summaries, answering questions, and helping you organize your research. Choose the option to add copied text as your source type. Then paste the content you copied from Perplexity into the text field provided. Before saving the source, give it a short and descriptive title so it's easy to recognize later. If your Perplexity response is especially long, you can split it into multiple copied text sources to keep everything organized and easier to reference. Once you've saved the source, you're ready to begin working with your research. You can ask NotebookLM to summarize the content, extract key definitions, generate outlines, compare important points, identify information gaps, or suggest follow-up questions based on the text you provided. Since the information is stored as a source, NotebookLM will generate responses grounded in the research you pasted. And that's how you connect NotebookLM with Perplexity AI, by transferring your research into NotebookLM for better organization and analysis. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,